Hello, こんにちは。It's Sushi-Chan. I hope you enjoy studying Japanese. Today, we will learn how to describe colors in Japanese. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today's grammar point is how to describe the color of something in Japanese. First, let's learn typical colors in Japanese. White, 白 Green, 緑 Red, 赤 Yellow, 黄色 Blue, 青 Black, 黒 Brown, 茶色 Then let's learn how to describe the colors of the objects. For example, when you want to say green paper in Japanese, how can you say that? We just learned green is midori. So you may want to say midori kami. But this is not natural. When you want to describe the color of an object, you need to add no at the end of the color. For example, in this case, you need to say midori no kami instead of midori kami. Another example, when you want to say a yellow pen, you can say 黄色のペン. In some cases, you have another method to describe the color of an object. You can use い instead of using の. So you can also say 黄色いペン. Let's take a look at another example. How can you say blue sky in Japanese using い? The answer is 青い空. Please note that you can use い only when you describe the color of these objects. Black, 黒い Red, 赤い Yellow, 黄色い White, 白い Blue, 青い Brown, 茶色い Today's new words! Let's learn the new words which are used in today's lesson. Paper, 紙 Pen, ペン Homework time! Please review how to describe the color of an object. In the homework review video, I will ask you several questions about it. And of course, I will upload Japanese cooking videos during the week. Please check it out. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. That way, you won't miss any future lessons. See you soon. Bye bye.